Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Mico Prayoga from Manajemen Class 22A with NPM 224111026. I will explain a little about the capital market. Understanding capital market. The capital market is a place where investors and issuers meet to buy and sell securities. The issuer is the party who issues the securities. Issuers can consist of government or private companies. There are various types of securities traded on this market depending on the content of the contract and the issuer. The two most well-known are stock and bonds. Shares are capital investment securities that prove that someone owns shares in the company concerned. Shares are traded on stock exchange. Bonds are securities that prove that an investor has receivables that can be collected from the relevant issuer. The concept of the capital market is actually quite simple, namely that issuers issue security to obtain additional funding. Then these securities are purchased by public investors who have excess funds. In this way, the issuer get additional money for its business operation, and in return, investors have the potential to get dividend and capital gains. Types of capital market. In its operation, the capital market in Indonesia is divided into several types. However, there are two types of market that are most important for novice investor to know, namely the primary market and the secondary market. 1. Primary market. The primary market is a place where securities are traded by issuer for the first time before the securities are released to the public. At this stage, issuer and IPO supporting institution will usually determine the price of the relevant securities based on the number of interest investors who enter and the price they enter at the book building stage. In the past, to buy shares released on the primary market, investors had to create an account at security company that was the underwriter of the issuer that released the relevant shares. For example, issuer A releases shares using the service of securities company B. The investor must create a share buying and selling account with company B first. But now, investor just need to create an accounting at eipo.co.id regardless of the securities company the investor uses. Not only buying shares directly on this page, you can also see why companies want to IPO and what the business details are. 2. Secondary market. The secondary market is a place where investors can sell shares or other securities that have been purchased on the primary market to other investors. This means In this market, investor will not be dealing with issuer directly, but will be dealing with other investors. In the past, to trade security on the secondary market, investor had to enter orders on the IDX via the relevant securities company offline. However, with technological development, no investor can buy and sell security just by using the trading application installed on their cell phones. Capital market function. 1. Economic function. The capital market has an economic function because in this market, issuers can issue securities to increase their capital and can be purchased by investors who want to invest the money they have. In this way, the wealth of a country's economy can turn as they sold. 2. Financial function. The capital market has a financial function because it can be an alternative for issuers to get funding and an alternative for investors to put down the money they have. Benefit of capital markets. The existence of the capital market in Indonesia has brought the benefit for the country, society, and companies. The following include: 1. For the country. The capital market for the country can provide benefit in the form of increased income in the form of dividend tax, funding options via government debt, securities, or bonds of various types, become one of the instruments turning the economic wheel, become an instrument for increasing employment opportunities. 2. For companies. With the existence of a capital market, companies can get alternative funding outside of debt and owner capital, a means of increasing company brand awareness. 3. For the community. The capital market can help increase employment opportunities because they definitely need workers, and funds from the capital market can improve company operations, means for investing outside banks and insurance. I means to earn passive income through dividend and capital gains. Example of capital market. The capital market concept is a well-known concept in the world. Not only in Indonesia, the capital market has become one of the main financial instrument market in many other countries. In fact, the scale of this market in several countries is much larger than the business scale of the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Just mention internal stock exchange including New York Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, Shanghai Stock Exchange, the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong, and many others. This is because of the high benefit of this market for companies, countries, and the economy in general. Maybe that's all I can explain regarding the capital market. Thank you.